Predragi, došli ste u crkveni dom da pred služiteljem crkve i pred zajednicom Gospodin zapečati svetim pečatom vašu želju da sklopite ženitbu. Krist odobno blagosliviti vašu bračnu ljubav. On vas je već posvetio svetim krstom, a sada vas obogaća i prijepi osobitim sakramentom, da budete jedno drugomu trajno vjerni, da prihvatite ostale bračne dužnosti.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea,